I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. You love cars, the roar of the engine, the smell of motor oil, and the satisfaction of a job well done. Cars are more than just a mode of transportation for you. They are a passion, a hobby, and perhaps even a way of life. You're good with your hands. You have a knack for diagnosing problems and fixing them. Whether it's a simple oil change or a complex engine repair, you have the skills and the know-how to get the job done right. Check out the link in the description box below. Now imagine turning those passions into a thriving business. Picture yourself as the go-to expert in your community, the person everyone calls when their car needs attention. You could be running your own mobile mechanic service, bringing your expertise directly to your customers' doorsteps. That's the beauty of being a mobile mechanic. You're not tied down to a single location. Instead, you have the freedom to travel to your customers, providing them with the convenience of on-site repairs and maintenance. You bring the garage to your customers. With a fully equipped van, you have all the tools and parts you need to handle a wide range of automotive issues. Your van becomes your mobile workshop, allowing you to perform everything from routine maintenance to emergency repairs. No more waiting for tow trucks or dealing with shop overhead. Your customers will appreciate the convenience and efficiency of your services. They won't have to worry about the hassle of getting their car to a shop or waiting in line for service. It's just you, your tools, and the open road. You have the freedom to set your own schedule, choose your own jobs, and work at your own pace. The open road becomes your office, and every day brings new challenges and opportunities. Mobile mechanics offer a wide range of services, from routine oil changes to more complex repairs. You set your hours, choose your jobs, and build direct relationships with your clients. You can offer personalized service and build a loyal customer base, and build direct relationships with your clients. Your customers will appreciate the personal touch and the convenience of having a mechanic who comes to them. You'll build trust and loyalty, and your business will grow through word-of-mouth referrals. It's all about taking control of your career and enjoying the freedom that comes with it. You can achieve a better work-life balance, spending more time with your family and pursuing your other interests. You'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you're in charge of your own destiny. Ready to trade in the daily grind for a flexible and rewarding career? Imagine leaving behind the constraints of a traditional garage job and stepping into a role where you call the shots. The transition might seem daunting, but the rewards are well worth it. Let's dive into the exciting world of mobile mechanics. This is your chance to turn your passion for cars into a successful and fulfilling career. Embrace the freedom, the flexibility, and the opportunity to make a real difference in your customers' lives. Welcome to the future of automotive repair. Being a mobile mechanic is all about freedom and flexibility. Say goodbye to the traditional 9-to-5 grind. You set your own hours and create a schedule that works for you. Another huge plus, low overhead costs. No need to rent a pricey garage space. Your workspace travels with you. This means more money in your pocket. Plus, the demand for mobile mechanics is skyrocketing. People love the convenience of on-site repairs. In this business, you're not just fixing cars, you're solving problems and making life easier for your customers. What I wish I knew at the start instead of later. Starting your mobile mechanic business is easier than you think. First things first, get certified. Having the right credentials builds trust with your customers. Next, create a solid business plan. This will be your roadmap to success, outlining your services, target market, and financial projections. Don't forget about insurance. Liability and auto insurance are crucial for protecting yourself and your business. Finally, get the word out. Start with family and friends, then explore online marketing and local advertising. Remember, every successful journey starts with a single step. Take that step today. Tools of the trade equipping your mobile workshop. A mobile mechanic is only as good as their tools. You'll need a reliable set of equipment to tackle any job that comes your way. Start with the essentials: wrenches, sockets, screwdrivers, and a quality jack. Invest in a powerful air compressor and impact wrench for those tough bolts. Don't forget diagnostic tools like an OBD2 scanner to troubleshoot electronic issues. Organization is key. Outfit your work vehicle with shelves, drawers, and tool chests to keep everything in its place. And remember, a well-maintained tool is a reliable tool. Regularly clean and inspect your equipment to ensure it's always ready to go. Making it official LLCs, EINs, and Bizee to the rescue. Starting a business is an exciting journey, but it comes with its own set of challenges. One of the most crucial steps in this journey is making your business official. This involves understanding and navigating through the legal requirements, which can seem overwhelming at first. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Turning your passion into a legitimate business requires a few legal steps. These steps are essential to ensure that your business is recognized by the law and can operate smoothly. The first step is to decide on the structure of your business. One of the most popular choices for small business owners is to form an LLC, or limited liability company. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it seems. While the paperwork might look intimidating, the process is quite straightforward once you understand the basics. An LLC provides a flexible structure that combines the benefits of a corporation with those of a partnership or sole proprietorship. First, you'll need to register your business as an LLC, or limited liability company. This involves filing the necessary documents with your state's business registration office. The specific requirements can vary from state to state, but generally, you'll need to provide information about your business name, address, and the names of the owners. This protects your personal assets from any business liabilities. In other words, if your business faces any legal issues or debts, your personal assets like your home or car are protected. This is one of the main reasons why many entrepreneurs choose to form an LLC. Next, obtain an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. This number is essential for tax purposes and is required if you plan to hire employees, open a business bank account, or apply for business licenses and permits. This is like a social security number for your business, allowing you to pay taxes and open a business bank account. Feeling overwhelmed? It's normal to feel a bit lost when dealing with legal and tax-related matters, especially if you're new to the world of business. Bizee is here to help. This innovative platform is designed to take the stress out of setting up your business. Whether you're forming an LLC or applying for an EIN, Bizee provides step-by-step guidance to ensure you don't miss any important details. This online platform simplifies the LLC and EIN process, guiding you through each step with ease. With Bizee, you can complete the entire process online, from the comfort of your home or office. The platform is user-friendly and provides clear instructions at every stage. They offer affordable packages and expert support, making setting up your business a breeze. Bizee's team of experts is always available to answer your questions and provide personalized assistance. So whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your existing business, Bizee has the tools and resources you need to succeed. With Bizee by your side, you can focus on what you do best, running your business and turning your dreams into reality. Spread the word marketing your mobile mechanic services. You've got the skills, the tools, and the drive. Now it's time to let the world know about your amazing mobile mechanic services. Marketing is the key to growing your business and reaching new customers. Start by creating a strong online presence. In today's digital age, having a professional and user-friendly website is crucial. Build a website showcasing your services, pricing, and customer testimonials. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, as many customers will be searching for your services on their smartphones. Leverage the power of social media. Social media platforms are excellent tools for reaching a wider audience and engaging with your community. Facebook, Instagram, and Nextdoor are great platforms to connect with potential customers in your area. Share photos of your work, customer reviews, and special promotions. Word of mouth is golden. Encourage satisfied customers to spread the word by offering referral bonuses or discounts. A happy customer is your best advertisement, and incentives can motivate them to refer friends and family. Don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned flyers and business cards. These tangible marketing materials can leave a lasting impression. Leave them at local businesses, community centers, and anywhere your target market frequents. Think about places like coffee shops, libraries, and gyms where people might need your services. Remember, effective marketing is about building trust and showcasing the value you bring to your customers. Be transparent about your services and pricing, and always deliver on your promises. Building a reputation for reliability and quality will set you apart from the competition. Get involved in your local community. Attend local events, fairs, and markets to meet potential customers face-to-face. Networking in person can create strong, lasting relationships. Offer free vehicle checkups or small services at these events to showcase your expertise and attract new customers. People appreciate a hands-on demonstration of your skills. Use your vehicle as a moving billboard. A well-branded vehicle with your business name, logo, and contact information can catch the eye of potential customers as you drive around town. Create valuable content. Start a blog or YouTube channel where you share tips and tutorials on basic car maintenance. This positions you as an expert in your field and helps build trust with your audience. Engage with your customers online. Respond to reviews and comments on your social media and website. Show that you value their feedback and are committed to providing excellent service. Track your marketing efforts. Use tools like Google Analytics to see what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategies based on the data to maximize your reach and impact. Finally, celebrate your successes. Every new customer and positive review is a step towards growing your business. Keep pushing forward, and soon, your mobile mechanic services will be the go-to choice in your community.